Okay, sums related to upstream and downstream. So see this one, for example, this is a stream. Okay, water is flowing. We'll assume that water is flowing with a constant speed. We don't know what is that speed. So when we doesn't know the value of the speed, what will take, x or y. So I have assumed that x kilometer per hour, for example. Now I'm having a boat with me, or anything is there along with me. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to make this one upwards, means upstream. Okay, so when I'm doing any work against, so it will be a +1 or -1? -1. If I am doing any work against the gravity, it will be minus. For example, if I am trying to just like move upwards on the, just like what is a bridge, so it will be a negative work, the speed will decrease, so it will be -1. For example, if I am in the, the speed of the stream is this one, the direction like this, the water is flowing like this, and I am just trying to come like this. So it is along with the water or against the water? Along with the water, so speed will increase. This is downstream. If I am going like this, okay, it is against the water, means going opposite to the water, so speed will decrease. But when I am going along with the water, in the direction of the water, means downstream. Downstream means it will increase. So downstream the speed will be plus, it will add up, and when it is upstream the speed will be subtracted. Clear up to here so far? So by using this concept only, we are going to discuss the sums. Whenever downstream means you will add the values, upstream means we will subtract the, which value is the speed of the steam as well as speed of the boat. Okay, okay. So write the question. The question is, the boat covers 32 kilometers upstream. The boat covers 32 kilometers upstream. This is what they are saying, the kilometers. This is not a speed. You write, okay, and 36 kilometers downstream, and 36 kilometers downstream in 7 hours. Okay, done. 36 kilometers downstream. The question will be there on your screen. So written the question. Now first we have to see that upstream how the value will add up, in downstream how the value will be subtracted. Now first to tell me that the speed of the stream will be more or the speed of the boat will be more. See, I have assumed the speed of the stream is y km/h because I don't know the values, and the speed of the boat is x km/h. So which one will be greater? The x, so the stream, the water which is flowing, it will be have more speed as compared to the boat, or boat will have more speed? Stream will have. If stream will have more speed, in both the cases it will be washed off. For example, now when he is trying to go against the stream, if stream is more having speed, so boat can move. It cannot move. Boat will have more speed. Understood? If the speed of the current, of the water current is more as compared to the boat can move up. It will be washed up. Okay. So we will always assume the speed of the boat is more as compared to the speed of the stream. Clear? And the downstream, it will go, if it is more also, what is the problem? It will go along with that only. Clear? We'll assume speed of the boat is more, because if speed of the stream is more, then upstream is not possible only though, because it will not able to move further. If speed of the stream is more, it can move further. No. Clear? Okay. Or I have to explain it again. Clear? Clear na? So what I will do here, now you see, so your upstream means which one will be greater? It will subtract or add? Upstream. Speed will be less. Subtract means which one? Bigger minus smaller? Bigger minus smaller, km/h. Clear? Downstream. Bigger plus smaller. Clear? So I got the speed with respect to upstream and downstream. Clear? First and the foremost thing, you have to take out this one. You will write let the speed this one. Okay, this one. First you understand, after that I will give you the time to write. Okay, first you understand. Okay. Now what he is saying that this is what I got. Km/h is the unit of speed. So I am having the value of speed I am having. Okay, something else they gave you. They are saying that a boat covers 32 kilometers upstream. See, when he is going upstream, the distance how much is covered? Clear this one? Understand nicely. Next, after that, 36 kilometers downstream. Okay, 36 kilometer. This one is clear? Okay. In how much? 7 hours. Means he has covered both the things in 7 hours. Together he did in 7 hours. How much time he took to cover upstream, you know? Downstream? But together it is 7 hours. It may be 3.5 or 4 or 2. We don't know. Okay. So according to that, we'll frame the equation. Okay. Now how to frame the equation? Now see, this is what? Time of total time of this one and this one. Okay. Now this one is what? Speed. Indirectly this is, and this is distance. Okay. We don't know the time. This time is for both the times. Means I need to have this time. For example, 7 hours is being made up of by using this time and this time. Now I will assume the time of this one is T1 and this one is T2. For your explanation, I'm explaining. It's not so difficult. I'm explaining. Okay. The 7 hour is made up of these two times. This time I have received from this value, and this one I have received from this one. Now, so I need to know the time of this one. What is the formula? Time is equal to distance by speed. So I will write that one only. Time is equal to distance. How much? Distance by speed is x minus y. Clear? And what about this one? Distance is equal to, time is equal to distance by x plus y. Means this is the time period which has been taken, okay, during upstream, and this is the time period which has been taken during downstream. When I'll add these two, you'll add up to 7 hours. What this is the meaning? Okay, so I will make the equation by using this one. So 32 by x minus y plus 32 by 36, na? 36 by x plus y equal to 7. Simple. Doubt why I have taken out this one only? Any having doubt? Anyone is having? Because this 7 is made up of time 1 plus time 2. Time I need to have. Time means it should be distance by speed. Distance is there, speed is there. So I have assumed. So this is indirectly what? This, what does this means? This is speed. This is distance. This is speed. Means distance by speed. What is distance by speed? This also. No need to buy at anything. Just understand. You have to frame the equation. Okay. So this 7 hour is made up of these two. But they are saying me that 7 hour is made up of two things. First one and second one. But how much time they didn't told you. So I know the speed and the distance. I have framed the equation that much. Clear? Okay. Now this is the equation number 1. You know how to solve this one. Okay. If don't know, you'll go for point 1. From there it will be clear for you. Otherwise I will explain in the other class. Okay. Not in this class. Okay. Done this one. The next one, again something else he is saying. The second part, see, he covers 40 kilometer upstream. Next equation. Okay. 40 kilometer upstream. See, upstream and downstream will be as it is. They will not change. Okay. Only the values will change. How much upstream is how much? 40. 40. And downstream? 40. 48. Time? 9 hours. See, everything is same. So now what we will do? Here it will be 42. Here it will be 48. And here it will be 9. Now it will be 42. 48. Here 9 hours. Same thing. Same concept. No need to hide anything. Okay. So this is the time. This is made up of these two. From here I have taken out the time. From here I have taken that is equal to this one. Simple. Form an equation. This is upstream and downstream. When you will solve, you will get the answer x and y. X will be the speed of the boat, and the y will be the speed of the stream or the current. Okay. Sometimes they will tell you the speed. Sometimes it will be current. Okay. And the next question you write. A boat covers a certain distance. A boat covers certain distance upstream in 10 hours. Written. And a boat covers certain distance upstream in 10 hours. And covers the same distance downstream in 6 hours. If the speed of the steam is 4 km per hour, If the speed of the steam is 4 km per hour, if the speed of the steam is 4 km per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. Find the speed of the boat in still water. Now see what is the difference between the previous question and this question. See, wait. A boat covers a certain distance. Again, upstream and downstream is there. So without saying anything, I have written this one. The same thing. But let us see. Okay, they are saying that he has covered a distance of, in time he gave you. The time is how much? 10 hours. Upstream time they gave you. Okay. Previously it was distance they gave you. Now the time is there. Time is equal to 10 hours. Upstream na? Okay. Next. And it covers the same distance. Okay, distance is same in both the cases. Downstream is 6 hours. Okay, downstream they gave you time as 6 hours. In both the cases the distance will be same. So here distance of upstream equal to distance of downstream, means we have to use this equation now. Previously we were using that one. Now what we are using in that previous case? Time we are using, and we are forming an equation, framing an equation. Now we are using the time. Now we have to use this one instead of using time. Because why? Because here they are saying the time, individual time they gave you. If they used to give me time 10 hours total, then the same process. But here they gave you individually the time, so I cannot use that process. So but I have to frame an equation by using, on what basis I will form an equation? The distance of upstream is equal to distance of downstream. So this is the basic by using I will frame an equation. Clear? Okay. So for that I have to let us read the question completely first. Next, if the speed of the steam, okay, they gave you the speed of the steam. Speed of the steam they gave you. No need to use y. Hai? Speed they gave you already. So in this case I will not use the speed of the steam as y kilometer, because they gave me the value. How much is the value? 4 km per hour. Okay, so you write 4 km per hour. Clear? If it is not there, the same process, x minus y, y minus x minus. So now everything will change. This will be how much? X minus 4. Hai na? 4 they gave you. Here x plus. Clear? Okay. Now what I have to find out? Distance of upstream, because I have to frame equation. For that I need to have the distance in case of upstream and distance in case of downstream. So distance formula is distance is equal to speed into time. The speed I am having upstream, yes. Time I am having upstream, yes, I am having. So distance is equal to from so upstream distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is x minus 4, time is 10 hours. Clear? So I got the distance. Now in case of downstream, the distance is speed into time, speed multiply time. Clear? Now they are saying both are equal. Okay, so x minus 4 multiply 10 equal to x plus 4 multiply 6. Solve the equation and get your answer. Simple. There is no need for two equations. The previously we were having two equations. What I have explained in the first question. In this question there is no two equations, only a simple one equation. You solve, you will get your answer. Clear? See the next question. You write this question. A sailor goes 8 km downstream. A sailor goes 8 km downstream in 40 minutes and returns in 1 hour. Dot. Determine the speed of the sailor in still boat and the speed of the current. Now see, in this case it is somewhat different from the cases which we did. Okay, but it is same only. Okay, means how the teacher will try to make you confused. Okay, those type of questions will do. Okay, so now they are not saying that boat or something else. Instead of that he is saying something else, just like sailor. So obviously a person, a sailor will be in the boat only, indirectly. So I'll assume the speed of the sailor, or you can say boat, as x kilometer. Same thing. Instead of boat, now what you have to write? Sailor. Okay. After that, next what else they give you? Now speed of the water means stream. Speed of the water means what they are trying to say? Stream. Stream will be, value is not there in this case. So y kilometer per hour. The thing is same. Instead of you write sailor. Here stream, instead of stream it is, both are same. How the teacher will try to make you confused with his words, you just see. Okay, now what he is trying to say? Downstream. Okay, a sailor goes 8 km downstream. 8 kilometer downstream na. So downstream how much? Here y I have to write, here also y na. Distance is equal to 8 kilometers. Time is equal to how much they gave you? 40 minutes. Okay, convert into hours, minutes na. So it will be how much? 2 by 3 hours. Clear this one? I have converted into hours. After that, downstream na. Now you do one thing. Now you will see that everything he gave you. In the first question, they gave you speed was there and distance was there. The time was together. So by using that one, we have framed the equation. Okay. Now in the second case, they gave you speed and time, and the distance they are saying both are equal. From there we have framed the equation, second question. In this one, they have gave you everything individually. So what we have to do? By using this one only, we have to frame the equation. How to frame the equation? We know that what we know, time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. So this one, in this case, time is equal to distance by speed. Time is how much? 2 by 3 hours. Distance equal to 8 kilometer. Speed is equal to x plus y. Clear this one? Now I have to solve this one. Again the cross multiply. You know how to do cross multiply. So I'm writing the answer. So it will be x plus y equal to 12. We'll do cross multiply. So this is your first equation. Clear? Okay. Now read the question further. What is saying? Nothing else is there in the question, na? Nothing else is there. Okay. Okay. Determine the speed of sailor and still water. Okay. Now nothing else is there. Something else is there. And returns. And returns in 1 hour means when he is coming back, it will be upstream only. If he is going, when he is going, he is downstream. So when he is coming back, it will be upstream. Okay, it will be upstream. See how the question they have changed the question. I mean, instead of writing clearly upstream and downstream, they have written a word return. So if students are not aware with what do you mean by return, the basics, they will get confused and they will leave the question. Means they will say that the question is not complete, or the question is somewhat different question. But when the teacher will explain you, this question is same. Means how the teacher will make you confused. Okay, now he is returning back means it will be upstream only. For example, when he is going, if he is saying that it is upstream, return means downstream. Even case when he is going, it is a downstream he is saying. So return means upstream. So upstream, how much upstream they you taken out? Now time is saying how much he is taking? 1 hour. Okay, time is equal to 1 hour. This one is clear. Okay, after that what I have to do? 1 hour they gave you, and distance will be same, and he is returning back. Distance is there na. Distance is 8 kilometer na. Distance, sailor goes 8 kilometer downstream, 40 minutes, and returns means the same distance indirectly. Again he is not saying about the distance, means distance is same. Clear? So distance equal to how much? So again same thing I have to frame the equation with respect to upstream. So it will be how much? Time is equal to distance by speed. Time is how much? Distance equal to speed is equal to. So your equation will be x minus y equal to 8. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. You can solve this one, you will get your answer. Clear? This is the way they will make you confused. The next question, this is also a very good question. Okay, see, if I will tell you the question, you will say that is that see, a person rowing, ROWING, at a rate of 5 km per hour in still water takes thrice as much time in going 40 km upstream and in going 40 km downstream. Find the speed of the current. Find the speed of the current. Now see the question. It is upstream and downstream question only. If you read the question nicely, by seeing the word downstream and upstream, will come to that this is upstream and downstream question. But how the question they have changed, you see, a person rowing at the rate of 5 km per hour in still water. Okay, still water means here they have said that instead of boat he is saying a person rowing. So the person speed will be, previously he was using sailor word instead of boat. Okay, and instead of steam it was using a water. So the names he will change. So don't get confused. Okay, so they are saying that a person is rowing at the rate of 5 km per hour in still water. Okay, So here 5 kilometer is the speed of person or what? Boat. Na? So they gave you this value. They give you this one, na? See this one. This how much? 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. And in still water means this one they has not given you any speed. So why as it is, leave that one. Okay. After that, takes thrice as much as person doing still water takes thrice as much time in going 40 kilometer upstream. So they gave you the value for upstream or downstream. Downstream also 40 kilometer, upstream also 40 kilometer. Okay. So instead of here I will write 40 kilometer, here also 40 kilometer. Okay. But I have to. Both are same, na? They gave you. Wait. Upstream and downstream they gave you the value. That is 40 kilometer both the cases. Okay. Now here I have to change these values. They have given you x value. X value is how much? Means 5. So instead of this one, I will write? 5 I will write. So y as it is. 5 minus y and 5 plus x y. Clear? Now, wait, listen this one. He has given you time in some different way. What is that one? He is saying that instead of giving time is equal to 10 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, he is saying that he takes thrice as much as. Thrice means he is efficient. Thrice he is efficient means he is 3. For example, if I can do a work in 1 hour, the same work you can do in 3 hours. So means I am efficient, more efficient. I am taking less time. So 3 means time indirectly is 3 hours. If for example, if I am saying that the work which you can do, okay, in 1 hour I am taking it 3 hours. Indirectly you are saying time only, na? You are more efficient than me 3 times. Means you are saving 3 hours. You are saying as compared to me. Clear? That's what he is saying. Means time indirectly is saying as 3 hours. Clear? Okay. So how to frame an equation? First, they are saying the time is 3 hours. Do he gave you the time, individual time he gave you? Individual time is not there. He is taking that, he is taking 3 hours. Okay. Who is taking 3 hours? Wait. 3 hours, a person rowing a boat at the rate of 6 meters take thrice as much time in going upstream. Okay. When he is going upstream, okay, he is taking how much time? 3 hours more time. When he is going upstream, he is taking thrice. Read the question clearly. When he is going upstream, he is taking thrice the time as compared to downstream. So, wait. Upstream stream time is equal to 3 times the time of downstream. So, this is the main thing from where we have to frame an equation. This is what he is saying. When he upstream time is 3 times the time of downstream. Okay. So, now I have to find out the upstream time first. Upstream time is how much? Time, na? Distance by speed. So, here upstream. So, distance time is equal to distance is 40 by 5 minus y. Clear? And downstream time also I need. This is a number. There is no need to do anything. A number, na? 3 as it is. Downstream time is equal to 40 by 5 plus y. Clear? Okay. Now, this one keep it here. 40 by 5 minus y equal to 3 into 40 by 5 plus y. Any confusion? Say. Upstream, na? Boat. Kilometer per hour. Speed, na? Kilometer per hour is the unit of speed, na? So, this is the equation, you see. Anyone is having any doubt regarding this one, you tell me now only. Which one? This one. See, the thing is that they give the speed, they give the distance, speed and distance clearly they are mentioning. But something else he is saying. What he is saying? Wait. 3 times about what he is saying? Wait. Time is not saying time. He is saying that takes thrice as much time means 3 times. When he is taking going 40 km upstream means when you are going upstream 40 km, you are taking thrice as the time as compared to the downstream. So, upstream time is how much? 3 times the time of. This is what he is trying to do. So, that's what I have written in words. It will be easy for you. So, time in upstream, I am having time of upstream. No, I am not. I am having the speed of upstream, distance of upstream. So, from these 2 values, I know how to find out the time of upstream. Got the value. Downstream time also don't know because downstream speed is there, downstream distance is there. but I know how to find the time of the downstream. Place the value, get the answer. This is for upstream time into downstream. Just from this equation I have used this one as the base and I have formed the equation. So the next question is question number, okay. A steamer goes downstream and covers a distance between two ports in 5 hours. Will it covers same distance upstream in 6 hours? You copy from there only. Okay. If the speed of the steam is 1 kilometer per hour, find the speed of the steamer in still water as well as distance between two ports. Okay. So the steamer goes downstream and covers a distance between 2 kilometers in 5 hours. Okay. Downstream time they gave you 5 hours. So downstream time is how much? 5 hours. Clear? Okay. Next. And cover the same distance. Means distance is same in both the cases in 6 hours. Upstream. Time is equal to 6 hours. Distance is same in both the cases. So distance of downstream is equal to distance of upstream. From here I have to form an equation. Okay, I understood. Next. If the speed of the steam is 1 kilometer per hour. Steam, where is the steam? 1 kilometer per hour. So this one acts as it is. Okay. Next. Now I have to form an equation from this one. Upstream x minus 1, downstream x plus 1. Clear? Okay. Now with respect to this distance I have to frame an equation. Everything I am having. I need to have the distance from this one. Speed is the time is the distance will be how much? Distance is equal to speed into time. Clear? And this distance, speed into time. This one equal to this one now. So it will be 6 x minus 1 equal to 5 x plus 1. Clear? Now solve this one. 6x minus 6 is equal to 5x plus 5. So 6x minus 5x is equal to 5 plus 6. So x is equal to 11. So x is 11. So means speed of the boat is how much? 11 kilometer per hour. So what else is asking? You see? 11 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 11 kilometer per hour is the speed of the boat. Okay, I got the answer. Okay. Now what else is asking? Distance between the two ports. Now where is the distance? Distance. This is also a distance and this is also a distance. Both the distance are same. So I can use this one or this one. So let us use this one only. 6 x value is how much? 11 minus 1. 6 into. Simple. You can use this one also. See how to use. If you want this one, distance is equal to 5 x plus 1. X is 5 into 60 kilometer. Both are same. Clear? This is the distance. Everything is there in the question only. Okay. Okay, this much questions are only there. Okay, means all the types of questions I have covered. Okay, out of this there may not be any other question. Okay, so practice all the sums related to this one. Okay, the next class we will start a new topic with respect to this one.